Hey, what's happening? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a motor coach tour from Thor. This is the 2023 Tellaro. Let's get started.
The Tellaro 20A is built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis. It boasts a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor with 280 horsepower. This option has a retractable roof and skybunk option, which is great if you want to have additional sleeping space or you just want to use the back for additional storage or seating. As you can see, the sliding side door also has an integrated screen, so if you want to open it up, get some airflow into the coach where you're camping and set up, you're more than able to do so and avoid the bugs. As we step inside the Tellaro, you can see we've got swiveling captain's chairs in the front. We also have additional seating in the back here. Here you can see a little fold-out dinette table. Has a nice little flat screen TV, Technoform Euro-style upper cabinetry. Here we are in the kitchen of the Tellaro. As you can see, there's a tremendous amount of counter space. They give you a nice cover over your sink, glass cover over your 2-burner stove, glass protector for your cabinetry from any objects that are cooking on the stove, nice microwave. Here we are looking at the wet bath of the Tellaro. One of the neat features of this guy is it has the shower miser hot water recycling system, which prevents you from wasting water while you're waiting for the shower to warm up. Here we are in the back of the Tellaro. Great amount of space back here, 2 twin beds, but this also converts into a big king-size bed in the back. In the back of the coach, there's also dual sliding windows on each side with an integrated screen. Here in the back of the coach, as you can see, Thule bike rack system, as well as a Thule telescoping ladder system to reach the top of the coach.
Well, there you go, 2023 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro. For more information on this unit or others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Adios.